Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just knew it. I knew my math guru would come up with something. And this is kind of what I was thinking about it, but I just couldn't fathom. I'm gonna make a copy of that because we're gonna need it in a second. And then I'm gonna Control D and make a duplicate and move that over. Take another duplicate or hit the plus key on your keyboard. And now we're only gonna cut out the inside, like this one's going through, that one has, and we don't have to cut that out. But I'm just going to kind of show you to stop what we do. So that one's going over, that one's going under, this one's going over, that one's going under. And now we just take the Smart Fill tool and nudge this down 3 times just to get a better, get it out of the way. Now let's left click, right click, and let's group this together, Control G, and then let's make a duplicate and nudge it over. Control D, and look at that. That fast, I didn't have to cut any lines out. Now what you have to do on the last 2 is, because we haven't moved, we can nudge, and I would still make a copy of that and then nudge that one all the way to the end. And there's probably another way you could do, you could probably delete some of the, but we're just using the Smart Fill tool later to fill things in. So just get your virtual segment delete key and delete these 2 lines, and that one's going over, so this one wants to go under. And in that short a time, you created a lot of rings. That one's over. Well, these lines that don't really count, and then this should be under. So in that much faster, you made that many rings, because I knew there was a way, I just couldn't fathom what to do. Anyway, so I thank my mentor again and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.